Hello you guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today's video we are going to do some mini twist, a protected hairstyle for a couple of days because I don't know what to do with my hair, so I decided to do it. So let's start. I will not mention the products, I will put them down in the description box. I will not talk too much because it's a short video and I lost some footage, so I'm a little bit upset, but we need to work with what we have. So I hope you enjoy my video.
It's about time that you stop ignoring. Obviously we see I'm not boring, soaring, trying to fly high. God is the wind under my wings, up in the air and underground. He keeps me running. Cut some low blows, but that goes to show the things that they do to make sure you won't do what you need to go reach your goals. Hey, nyansawum, understand baby nyansawum. Oh, nyansawum, hey baby nyansawum. Don't be foolish. You see when nyansawum, don't be foolish. It's a hey, I had a dream, an awesome dream. And you me quiet in a Range Rover. I don't have no time for no do over, so I pray over for a change over. Hey, you and me, I'm no equal. I pump up the bass, you press back the sequel. I cause the rain, you dry up the season. We all got us friends, but don't change up the lanes. Stay there, what I say. Watch, listen, I must confess it sounded conceited, but that's not the reason, really just makes sense. Nyansawum, minkabi keke baby nyansawum. Nyansawum, don't be foolish. You see when nyansawum. You see when nyansawum. You see when nyansawum. Don't be foolish. You see when nyansawum. You see when nyansawum. Don't be foolish. You see when nyansawum. Oh, you see when nyansawum. Don't be foolish.
If you like this video, please guys, a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And guys, stay healthy, stay safe and stay positive. And I will see you back in another video. And as we say it in Papiamento, ayo!